Hello everyone, we are Group 8 and today we are going to present our research on marketing evolution of MSMAs from word of mouth to multi-channel digital marketing. Before we begin, let me introduce my team. My name is Sarah Widya Purwana and I start the presentation and moderator in this presentation. Next to me are
My name is Delimanur Azkia and I bring the research finding and recommendation slide.
My name is Muhammad Pasyari Putra. I bring the methodology and survey result slide.
My name is Kayla Tanzila. I bring the conclusion and reference.
Okay, each of us will explain different parts of this topic. We hope you enjoy our presentation. Okay, let's begin with the introduction. The core issue we identified is that many MSMAs are transitioning from traditional marketing strategies like word of mouth to multi-channel digital approaches. This shift is essential for them to remain competitive in today's digital era. So why is this important? Understanding this transition is crucial because it directly helps small business grow, adapt to new consumer behavior, and significantly expand their market reach amidst intense global competition. Now that we set the stage, let's delve into how we conducted our research. The next section will cover our methodology.
Okay, to investigate this transition, our methodology combined qualitative and quantitative approaches. We conducted in-depth interviews and distribute structured questionnaires to 5 different MSMES. We asked them key questions such as what is your marketing process from the beginning until now? And how does the effectiveness of online marketing compare to offline? Our respondents, ranging from the purely traditional Miss Isah to the digitally adaptive Mr. Rival, provided a diverse perspective. This primary data was then supported by a robust literature study.
Okay, with our methodology clear, let's look at the data from our survey result. The next part present our survey result.
Now, let's look at the survey results. Our data, visualized in this bar chart, categorize the MSMES into 3 groups. 20% are traditional, relying solely on word of mouth. 40% are transitional, actively learning digital tools, and another 40% are adaptive, already implementing multi-channel strategies. The key takeaway here is that the majority of MSMEs are in the process of transitioning to digital marketing, albeit at varying speeds. This is perfectly captured in the words of our respondents. Miss Isa said, I don't use an advertising system. It's all word of mouth in contrast. And Raya, who is in the transitional phase, told us I plan to expand my online marketing.
Okay, the survey result paint a clear picture of the current landscape. Now let's dive deeper into the analysis of these findings in the next section.
For the research finding, delving deeper into our research finding, we identified several key patterns. The primary causes behind their current state include the ongoing shift from word of mouth to digital, issues with consistency in promotion, and sometimes inconsistent product quality. These factors lead to significant product impacts. Positively, we see increased reach and sales and higher brand awareness. However, the downside can be business failure if the transition is mismanaged. Based on this, we propose several solutions: the active adoption of multi-channel strategies, a strong focus on improving promotion consistency, and unwavering commitment to product quality.
Okay, to turn this solution into action, we have developed a set of concrete recommendations. The next slide will outline these steps.
For the next slide is recommendation. We have four concrete recommendations. First, provide free digital training to build foundational skill. Second, encourage collaboration with local influencer to build trust and reach. Third, promote product diversification, sorry, based on customer feedback to stay relevant. And finally, advocate for stronger consumer protection regulation to build a trustworthy digital marketplace for everyone.
Okay, thank you for this detailed recommendation. Now to wrap our presentation, I will now presentation the conclusion and reverence.
In conclusion, the research from Group A clearly showed that the evolution from word of mouth to digital marketing is a crucial and ongoing journey for MSMEs. Their survey found that 80% are already moving, and this digital shift is key to increasing their reach and sales. While challenges exist, the recommendation presented like digital training and influencer collaboration provide a clear path forward. Ultimately, this successful transition vital not just for individual business growth, but for the resilience of our local economy. For further reading, their analysis was supported by credible sources from World Bank, OECD, and leading academic texts all listed on this slide.
Okay, conclude our presentation today, highlight how MSMAs are steadily from traditional word of mouth marketing to multi-channel digital strategies. This transition is not only necessary but essential for growth, uh, competitive and long-term sustainability. The finding, analysis, and the recommendation from Group 8 clearly illustrate a path forward for MSMAs to adapt and thrive in the digital era. Once again, thank you for your attention and participation throughout this presentation.